shout out LRB Speed. I didn't get sponsored by them or anything, but I want to say thank you for making these door cards. You guys saved me the headache of looking at the garbage looking door cards that were originally on this thing. So shout out to you guys. Thank you for making these panels. It makes the car look so much more livable versus before, minus the whole jankiness of that. And the same thing goes for the other side. I don't know if you can see it from here. I got a lot more things I want to do before I start taking it out on the road and enjoying it. I need to get rid of this skunk looking stripe. It looks hideous. At least that's what my coworkers call it. This time we're replacing the license plate bulbs. Here's the part number for any of you guys that need it. And the reason why we're replacing the bulbs is because of this. Yeah, if that's not going to get me pulled over, I don't know what will. So, we're going to take those out. We're going to take out the ricer bulbs out of the trunk. So, it's just another thing to add to the list of ricer mods that need to come off this hoopty. So, and it looks like I'm going to have to disassemble the rear lights. And I'm probably going to have to unscrew those screws there and those screws there so I can get access to the bulbs. Great. Did somebody call for ricer LED lights? Because I didn't. Oh yeah, that's a lot better in my opinion. Maybe the next time I go to a car meet, that's if I ever find one where people aren't doing stupid shit, I'll probably give these out for free. I mean, I have no use for them. I mean, they're pretty much trash in my eyes. So if anybody wants them, hit me up if I ever see you. Not like I expect anybody that watches my videos to see me at meets, but you know what? There you go. There's your freebie right there if you want it. I might as well do a Civic update video because, well, I didn't really want to bore anybody with the whole process of taking things apart and putting it together, but yeah, I'd rather just show you guys what I did so far. So, in my past few videos, I mentioned how I didn't like the dash on this car as it came when I first bought it, because the tweeters that were on the dash, the previous owner had to cut out these vents in order to put those speakers. So, and I ended up buying a new dash that's not fucked with, and it looks really nice for what I'm trying to go for. It looks a lot cleaner. I know I'm kind of going a little overkill on a car like this with its age and its mileage, but you know what? I'm okay with this. I mean, I'd rather have a clean, cheap shit car than a disgusting looking cheap shit car. I mean, I already had the idea that I was going to take it to the track one of these days. It's slowly coming along. I got to go over those yellow spots because that's where some of the tar-based Dynamat didn't want to come off. So I painted over it, and now it's kind of bleeding through the paint. So I got to recover that up with more paint, obviously. But yeah, there you go. Obviously, the other dash that I had, I took out the VIN plate that was on this dash and I put it on this car. So yeah, I'm good riddance to this piece of shit. You can see right there how previous owner didn't really do a good job cutting the hole for the tweeters, because as it looks, I mean, he pretty much just cut the holes while the dash was still in the car. I went to the hassle of removing the entire dash, putting a new dash in just so I can get rid of those holes. Well, it's gonna be good riddance because I'm tossing this piece of shit. All right, so we're installing this radio delete plate. Oh, I think I know. I think it goes like that. I think it goes like this. Ah, fuck. Oh, I lost in the abyss. Oh, there we go. So it just clips on like that, and then I can just go from the back and then just pop it out. Oh no, I already scuffed it. Oh well. Okay, so it goes on like that. Boom. Then, boom. Perfect. All right, there we go. That's how you install a delete plate. All right, so we're back at it again, another weekend. As you can tell, I took off the cowl. It's right there. And I noticed after I installed the new dash, I was playing with the heater settings and the blower settings, and it just started dumping debris at me. So I wanted to take a look and see if there was anything down there that I could vacuum up. Obviously, it's hard to see because I don't know why Honda put this metal plate in the way. So I'm probably gonna have to take the... Actually, let me see if I can squeeze the camera in and see how bad it is inside there. There's the blower motor. It doesn't look too bad, but I still want to try and get like a vacuum hose in there and try to clean up as much of whatever is in there, so that way I don't get pelted with garbage. And then I also want to touch base with this area in front and just dust it off because it just looks disgusting. And this is all just from just sitting under a tree somewhere in Windsor or something like that, because the car was originally owned by somebody that lives up in Windsor, and obviously he didn't take good care of the car. So if I haven't said it before, I'm taking care of the car to the best of my ability. Oh look, somebody, look at that, look at that sunburned leaf. So yeah, that's the goal today. Clean that up, make it look decent, and then put everything back together. Okay, I got my brush, I'm ready to go to town. Broken piece of plastic. Oop. Oh, it goes somewhere on this thing, I don't know where. Okay, well, it's not really much of an improvement, but it's something. There. I even took the liberty of cleaning up strut towers, both sides, and I did a little bit better of a job cleaning out this channel. I did get as much of underneath this piece of metal, along the channel up there on the upper channel. It's a little bit cleaner now. And then we go in here. I don't know, I'll have to play the footage later to see if I made an ounce of difference, but I vacuumed down there. So I'm gonna button everything up, put the cowl back on, and hopefully I start this car in just a little bit and debris won't start shooting, or debris in theory should stop shooting up in my face. Let's just hope. All right. Functions test on the wipers. Works just fine. Blowers. Okay, didn't really help that much. I felt something hit my face just now, but I don't know, I feel like the more I keep working it, I think it's gonna clear itself out over time. But well, at least I can have a peace of mind knowing that the blower motor is clear, so that's good. What if I do it again? Well, it's an improvement, so that's good. All right, there we go. Ugh. There she is, all assembled. I am missing a couple of clips, one there, one there. Everything else is fine. I did find a piece. I need to figure out where this goes. I'm pretty sure it goes somewhere down there. I'm not so sure, but I'll figure it out later. Right now, I'll probably just hold on to this and just not worry about it. I'll just be in the little compartment of sockets and miscellaneous bolts and fasteners and whatnot. But until then, that's it for the weekend for me. I got what I wanted done. Can't really think of anything else I want to do for the time being. So whatever I do next, I'll just record it and I'll post it, I guess. All right, so this is the end of the video since I forgot to make an outro when I was recording outside. So yeah, I mean, I just watched everything. I apologize for the rest of the video where it sounded like I was very mumbled out, or I was talking very very softly. My bad for that. And I apologize for some of the wind noise also. I can't really hear whatever is going on the footage when I'm recording. So yeah. But if you made it to the end, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content whenever I get the chance to get more parts, or if I ever do more things to the Civic. And yeah, I mean, I haven't uploaded in like a month, so I'm kind of overdue on my whole upload schedule. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'm going to go play some Nikkei and enjoy the rest of my weekend. And I suggest you guys all do the same. Enjoy your weekends. Whatever day, whatever time you're watching this. Catch you later. Peace.